Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to turn off Chase credit card automatic payment. So to get started with the steps and easy workaround on how you can easily turn off Chase credit card automatic auto pay payment in 2025. So the first thing to do is open the Chase mobile app and log into your account. So once you log into your account using your account credentials, navigate to your credit card account, tap on the credit card you want to manage under the account tab. Then after that, tap the pay card or pay and transfer, then select the pay card or go into the pay and transfer and look for the automatic payment section. Then tap the automatic payment, then you will see an option showing that auto pay is on, so tap it to access the setting. Then after that, turn off or edit the payment. So choose off to cancel all features automatic payment, and alternatively switch to monthly minimum or set a specific date if just want to adjust the amount. Then confirm your changes. So tap save or confirm. You will now receive a confirmation message in app by your email that you've changed or you've turned off your Chase credit card automatic payment, and that's how you can easily turn it off. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.